Alright, welcome everyone. Today in this video we're going to look at how we can use our CAS calculator to create a table of values. So what I've got here is a rule to convert our temperatures, so to convert from Celsius into Fahrenheit, and we're going to create a table of values using a couple of different methods. So the first method I'm going to use is using a table. So in your lists and spreadsheet, I've just created a quick little table here. So I've got C for my Celsius, and I've got 0, 10, all the way up to 50. And then next to it is my column for F, so that's going to be our Fahrenheit. So what we're going to do is use this second row as our formula. So my rule here is going to be that 9/5 times C plus 32. Now what it's going to ask you here is if I want my column reference or the variable reference. Because C here, if I go column reference, that's referring to the column C, but I actually want C to represent that variable. So I want to change that to a variable reference. So as I press OK, it's going to give me all my values. So that's one way we can create our table of values using a lists and spreadsheet. The other way is from a graphs page. So if I open up a graphs page and I'm going to put in my rule, just being careful though, because it's in terms of X. So I'm actually going to go 9/5 times X plus 32. So you can't see anything right now, and that's okay. I actually don't need to see anything. If I do, I can just change my window settings to zoom, fit, and we get that, which is nice. But what I'm really interested in, again, is to get that table of values. So to do that, just press Control and then T. Control T gives us a table of values. So on the left-hand side here, so that's my value for X, so that's my Celsius. As I substitute in different values, we get all these. This is obviously nice because it gives me nice and sequential. It's a little bit trickier if I want those 0, 10s, 30s, and so on. So two different ways we can create a table of values. First from a list and spreadsheet. Secondly from creating a graph, plotting that function, and then pressing Control T. And if I want to get rid of that, I can just press Control T, and that gets rid of that table. So that's how we can create a table of values in a couple of different ways. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you all next time.